2008 সালে আমি রোজ গেলাম।
নবনিযুক্ত মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী শপথ কোনো ব্যক্তিকে জ্ঞাপন করিব না বা কোনো ব্যক্তি
পালন করিব।
আমি বাংলাদেশের প্রতি অকৃত্রিম বিশ্বাস ও আনুগত্য পোষণ করিব।
নীতি বা অনুগ্রহ
অনুরাগ বা বিরাগের বশবর্তী না হইয়া জনাব জাহিদ ফারুক, বেগম সিমিন হোসেন রিমি,
এবারের যে নির্বাচন, এই নির্বাচনটা আরও একটু ব্যতিক্রমী। সাধারণত আমরা আমাদের দলের থেকে বা সব দলগুলি তারা তাদের প্রার্থী নির্বাচিত করে দেয়। এবার যেমন আমি আমাদের প্রার্থী নির্বাচিত করেছি, পাশাপাশি এই নির্বাচনটা উন্মুক্ত করে দিই, যে যার ইচ্ছা মতো দাঁড়াতে পারবে। এবং আপনারা দেখেছেন একটি দল তারা হয়তো অংশগ্রহণ করেনি, কারণ তারা কখনোই করতে চায় না, কারণ সেই দলগুলি যারা মিলিটারি ডিক্টেটরের হাতে তৈরি হয় আসলে তারা নিজেরা চলতে পারে না, তাদের কোনো জনসমর্থন থাকে না, তাই সরাসরি নির্বাচনকে তারা ভয় পায়।
It's a record perhaps in the world as a women prime minister.
Now time and again people are voting for me and her, and I told you that I survived several times. That is also, I know Allah has given me this opportunity and the people's strength. So that way I feel. I always feel my responsibility for my people, that I have to serve them. So I never felt that this is the position I have to relish. No, I feel this is the opportunity to serve my country, serve my people, and ensure them a better life. He violated the labor law or deprived his own employee, so they filed the case, and from that they got this judgment. So I have nothing to do with that. So the question of pardoning him does not come to me. Rather, he should ask his own employee and he should seek pardon to the labor. Each and every party, they have the right to take their own decision. If any party does not participate in the election, it does not mean that there is no democracy. You have to consider whether people have participated or not. No one should exercise their terrorist activities in the country. People don't accept it. It is not only one story. Several times it happened in this country. We showed our patience and we ensure people's right. The party didn't participate in the election. They tried to prevent people so that they should not go to the polling booth, they should not cast their vote, this and that. But people didn't listen to them. The election took place, they couldn't stop it, they tried their best to do it, but they didn't. So how do you define that? You never mention about that, how many people they killed till now. It is not only this year, 2013, 2014, 2015, they did the same thing. More than 3,000 people burned down, 500 were killed, and still people are suffering in the hospital. So how do you define that they are Democratic Party? They are terrorist party. It is terrorist activities. Those who want to criticize, they can criticize. It is their liberty. It is their liberty. I have my own belief, whether it is right or wrong. I believe that, and I trust on that. I trust on myself that yes, I have done the right thing, and the election was free and fair. The tea is getting cold, gentlemen.
If I may, Your Excellency, as an
Ladies and
Australian,
gentlemen, I invite you to for having some tea.